तुमने सोचने के लिए समय ही नहीं दिया। You didn't give time to think. You didn't give time to think. मेरे पास बिल्कुल काम नहीं है। I have no work at all now. I have no work at all now. वह बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करेगा। He will work harder now. He will work harder now. मैं उसके साथ समय बिताऊंगा। I will spend time with him. I will spend time with him. उसे अपनी जान की परवाह नहीं है। He doesn't care about his life. He doesn't care about his life. वह मेरा पूरा साथ देगा। He will support me fully. He will support me fully. उस जगह पर अंधेरा है। There is darkness in that place. There is darkness in that place. अब वह कभी कोई गलती नहीं करेगा। Now he will never commit any mistake. Now he will never commit any mistake. मैं आज तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ सकता। I can't come with you today. I can't come with you today. तुम्हें तो आज सच बोलना ही होगा। You must tell the truth today. You must tell the truth today. मेरे सामने तुम्हारी औकात ही क्या है? What is your status in front of me? What is your status in front of me? तुम पकड़े गए हो, तुम कुछ छुपा नहीं सकते। You've been caught. You can't hide anything. You've been caught. You can't hide anything. मुझे तो पता ही था वह ऐसा ही है। I already knew that's how it is. I already knew that's how it is. दूसरों की भलाई करने में ही भला है। It's good to do good for others. It's good to do good for others. उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे। The pot calls the kettle black. The pot calls the kettle black. आप अपनी हद में रहकर बात करो। Speak within your limits. Speak within your limits. तुम्हें मेरी कसम है, सच सच बताओ। I swear, tell the truth. I swear, tell the truth. मैं थक गया हूँ, मैं सोना चाहता हूँ। I'm tired. I want to sleep. I'm tired. I want to sleep. मेरा सर मत खाओ, मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ। Don't bother me. I'm very troubled. Don't bother me. I'm very troubled. तुम्हारे पास तो मेरे लिए समय ही नहीं है। You don't even have time for me. You don't even have time for me. तुम कह कर तो दिखाओ। Show me by saying so. Show me by saying so. यह रहा तुम्हारा बैग। Here is your bag. Here is your bag. यह रही तुम्हारी घड़ी। Here is your watch. Here is your watch. क्यों ना हम कहीं कल पिकनिक पर चले? Why don't we go for a picnic tomorrow? Why don't we go for a picnic tomorrow? क्यों ना तुम यहीं आ जाओ? Why don't you come here? Why don't you come here? यानी कि तुम यहाँ नहीं रुकोगे। That is to say, you won't stop here. That is to say, you won't stop here. यानी कि तुम परीक्षा में फेल हो गए। That is to say, you failed the exam. That is to say, you failed the exam. यानी कि तुमने उसे धोखा दिया है। That is to say, you betrayed him. That is to say, you betrayed him. तुम रुको या जो मुझे क्या? Whether you stay or not, what do I care? Whether you stay or not, what do I care? तुम खाओ या ना खाओ मुझे क्या? Whether you eat or not, what do I care? Whether you eat or not, what do I care?